So far you have seen how to run the Playwright test from the Jenkins, and also you have seen how to attach the Playwright report as a artifacts in the Jenkins. In this video I will discuss how to publish the JUnit test report in the Jenkins. So let's navigate to the Jenkins here. So let's open the Jenkins job which we have created it, and here you can go to the configure and post build actions, and here you need to select the option as publish JUnit test result report. So here simply you need to specify the path where exactly you are generating the JUnit test report XML file. So if I go to my repository, and in this repository we have the playwright.config.ts file. So if you see here, so we are generating the JUnit test report XML file in the project root folder only, right? So here we are not adding the any specific location. So if you are giving a directly name, so it will be this particular XML file will be generated in the root folder of the project only, right? So let's specify this file name in the Jenkins job here, right? So if you are generating in the any of the folder, you can give the complete path of the folder where you are generating the JUnit test report XML file. So it's very simple configuration, guys. So after adding the XML path, so simply you can say apply and save it. Now let's run the Playwright test from the Jenkins. So here third job is started. So it has started cloning the repository now. It will take few seconds to install all the dependency part. Then it will start executing the test cases. So we have the total 3 test cases. Out of them, 2 will pass and 1 will fail. And the failed test cases will automatically retry for the execution because we have specified the one time auto retry for the failed test case execution in the playwright.config.ts file. So if you see here, so this particular test is getting failed. So which is the expected output here. So if you see here at the end, so one is getting failed, 2 are passing, which is the expected output. And also here you can see the recording test results, right? After adding the artifacts, right? So let's go to the job, third job. And if you see here on the left side, you are seeing the test results. Simply click on this test results. And here you can see that. So we have total test is 3 and 1 is getting failed. And here you can see the all the test, right? So this is a failed test section, and this is the all test section. So here is the breakdown by a spec file. We have a CodeGen test spec file. We have the total test is true, 2, and 1 is getting passed. Another one is getting failed, which is the expected output here. And in the delete API request, we have the total test case is 1, which is passing. You can go inside this spec file also, and you can also check the standard output also inside this. So we are printing the all the API response for the API test case, correct? So this is how you can publish the JUnit test report in the Jenkins.